1st December, Monday, and my name is Dylan. Welcome to our trading analysis video. So today I want to touch on a few currency pair. Let's start off with the dollar against the Japanese yen. Over here, you're seeing the day charts on the dollar against the Japanese yen, and right now, over here, you can see that I have plotted a kind of like a symmetrical triangle. At least we know that the price is consolidated within this formation itself, and right now we've seen that the price has fell from the key resistance level, the price of 123.58 at the top of the formation came all the way down and is about to reach the bottom of the formation itself at the price of 120.82, Fibonacci retracement level of 38.2%. So we're just going to wait for the price to retrace a little bit further till it touches a level to look for a buy. Whereas we know that the Federal Reserve has begun to raise interest rate, and they will raise gradually. We'll see that the US dollar will strengthen a little bit, somehow here and there, and you just go up and down. And while the Japanese yen, the Bank of Japan, although they have been trying to refrain from easing monetary policy further, but we do also expect that the Bank of Japan will eventually ease monetary policy further. So we are going to expect pretty much more of a sideways movement, and hopefully it just moved within the formation itself, sideways movement, and therefore we're just waiting for the buy opportunity again after it came all the way down to the bottom of the formation itself. So that's for the dollar against Japanese yen. Next, we have the euro dollar against euro dollar, the euro against US dollar. So previously we have a falling trend channel. All right, this is a one-hour chart. But here's what I'm talking about, and we have seen the price has finally broken above it. So we kind of expect the price to appreciate a little bit further, or rather in this case, a retracement. I just want to bring attention to the forward charts. Now, if you look at the whole pattern itself, although this is not exactly head and shoulder, but it does have that the shadow behind it. So we're going to wait for the price to retrace, appreciate further to it reaches somewhere around this level, this region itself, somewhere the price of 1.0970. So zooming back to the one-hour chart, we have product Fibonacci retracement, waiting for the price to retrace all the way. Of course, the first level we always be looking at the retracement level of 0.2%, but in this case, since we are looking at the key level right here, let's just put a line right here, the 61.8% level. Alright, so this does seem to be the more of the key resistance if we are to respect this formation itself. So it seems that there is still pretty much gap towards the top. So we may actually want to look for an opportunity to go for the buy if you're looking for intraday. But however, on my case, I'll be waiting for the price to retrace all the way to this level. Or rather, if you look at the retracement level of 50% price of 1.0929, we have seen that there is a very key support level here before. There's resistance. So this might be the very first level to look at to go for the stop stick. Now, of course, we can always read for the trend line, and that makes a lot more sense. Alright, so that's for the euro against US dollar. Next, we have the Kiwi, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So the price has finally rebounded off from the bottom of the rising trend channel, slightly a little bit before it touches, but close enough, and also at the retracement level of 38.2%. So it rebounded off from the price of 0.6678, respecting the rising trend channel, and therefore we expect the price to appreciate further all the way to the key resistance level, or rather our final absorption level, the price of 0.6846. There's a previous high somewhere over here back in mid-October. So we kind of going to expect the price to appreciate further. Alright, so maybe during the smaller time frame, since we've seen the prices begin to appreciate, we may want to look for an opportunity to go for a buy. We have a pretty nice formation right here that's suggesting the price may appreciate further. So probably you may just want to zoom in the 15-minute chart to see if there's a chance to go for the buy as the price retraces somewhere lower to this level, closer to this key support level at the price of 0.6720. So slightly within this region itself, if price were to retrace to that level, we may look for the buy. Alright, so the dollar against US dollar, that's for it. And euro against Japanese yen, we coming back to the day one chart, we have seen that the price is trading within a falling trend channel. Initially, we expected the price to retrace and continues to appreciate to the top of the falling trend channel, but right now, as you see in the forward charts, the price has broke below a minor falling trend channel in the forward charts. Here down, retrace somewhere here, and just take note that it has broke below the key support level at the price of there's a retracement level of 61.8%, price of 131.53. Therefore, it does signal the price may continue to fall further without even appreciating any further towards the top of the falling trend channel. So right now we're just waiting for the price to retrace back to the bottom of the previously broken minor falling trend channel itself to look for the sell. So rather instead we're gonna remove this Nachi and plot it in from this high to the bottom, maybe somewhere in the retracement level of 38.2% at the price of 132.07, slightly a little bit above the bottom of the minor falling trend channel to look for the sell. So just think of this level at the price of 132.07. That's for euro against Japanese yen, and back to the Australia against US dollar. Day one chart, we've seen that there is an ascending triangle that's forming right here. Price has went down to the bottom, got supported, and it rebounded off, so expect the price to appreciate further from here. And back to the forward chart, we also seen that there's a minor falling trend channel, so we are waiting for some kind of a retracement right now, which is already retracing. So looking for the price to go for the buy, and the first level we have to take note of is at the top of the falling trend channel, and once it's broken above, we can kind of expect it to go all the way back to the previous side at 0.7380. So let's look at the smaller time frame, the 1 hour chart, or rather the 15-minute chart. Let's just plot a Fibonacci retracement. Alright, so CS went below the 30.2%. At the key supports right here, 0.7161. Somewhere its current price right now. So we can kind of expect the price to retrace a little bit further. Hopefully back to the retracement level of 61% at the price of 0.7136 to go for the buy again towards the top of the minor falling trend channel. It's still pretty much to go. And then from there we should see how it develops from there. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar against the US dollar. And last but not least, just want to touch on the pound against the US dollar. In the day one charts, we have seen that the price is falling within a falling trend channel. Price is currently seen supported, exhausted at the bottom of the channel itself at the support level at 1.4883. It's actually the first exhaustion level by Fibonacci expansion. So we're waiting for the price to rebound off from here. We've seen there's a lot of consolidation right here. But however, the consolidation has caused price to form higher lows. Of course, at the same time, we do have some higher lower high as well. But right now, it's kind of breaking that formation, going slightly edging a little bit higher. So probably more towards the upside. When the price appreciate further from here, so do look for some in fact this is a good level to go for the buy, so that's something you might want to consider. And if price were to just continue to appreciate within the falling trend channel towards the top, that will be a huge profit to be made from there. And just do not forget that since the Federal Reserve have already begun to raise interest rate, the Bank of England may begin to look, or rather to plan for a rate hike as well. So that may cause the pound to appreciate further. Alright, so that's all for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.